Hey everybody, it is Phineas. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Alright, so this can be a quick one, but I find it interesting. So my friend gave me some of these magic erasers. And I'm like, oh, thank you, I'm grateful, But I'm like, I don't keep all this stuff around. I just like to have one cleaner that cleans everything. Under my kitchen sink, I don't like to have a ton of stuff. So I kind of really didn't want it. Because I know there's, if you get mark on the wall. But so I looked it up. I found, how many's on this list? 25 things that these things clean. So it's pretty cool. So now I kind of want them. All right, let's go through this list real quick. Because I didn't know this thing did all of these things. All right, so number one, it removes baked on stains from pots and pans. I didn't know that. Cleans oven glass and glass top stoves. I have a glass top stove. I'm gonna try. I haven't tried it yet. These are brand new. Number three, eliminates stuck-on bugs from windshields. I didn't know that. In Florida, we have love bug season. The love bugs are everywhere. They get over your car, your windshield. They're hard to get off. Number four. Now this is the one I did know. Removes crayon from walls. That's what I thought these things were for. Marks on walls. Number five, removes scuffs, dirt, and grass stains from shoes. I had no idea. Number six, remove stickers and sticky residue. Number seven, renews your computer keyboard. I guess just, I don't know. Number eight, gets rid of coffee and tea stains in mugs. Number nine, removes stains from inside crock pots. Okay, I'll use it for that too. Number 10, cleans hubcaps on vehicles. Number 11, cleans dishwasher interior. Number 12, cleans built-up gunk inside the refrigerator. I mean, so many uses for this thing. I didn't want these things. Now I'm glad I got them. All right. Number 13, removes rust from most surfaces. Number 14, cleans grout and tile. Number 15, removes food stains inside plastic food containers. Now, see, I made the mistake of, I have like 8 of the same size Tupperware. I like them all to match. And I heated like spaghetti or something up in there, and it kind of stuck to it. I wonder if this would get that off in my Tupperware. Number 16, removes tarnish from silver. Number 17, cleans oven shelves and grill grates. Number 18, removes toilet bowl rings. Okay, that's a good one. 19, gets rid of algae from cement and ceramic pots. 20, removes marks and dirt from walls and baseboards. I thought this was a one-trick pony. I thought this is for walls and like, baseboards and stuff like that. What number are we on? Number 20. No, number 21. Removes marks on vinyl. Number 22. Removes nail polish spills and stains. Really? Number 23. Cleans window screens while they're still in the windows. That's a good one. Number 24. Cleans light-colored suede. And number 25, the last one, removes mildew from siding and gutters. So these things are pretty amazing. I kind of want a whole bunch of them now. You know me, I'll stock up on things. But yeah, I was surprised to see it does that many things. I just thought, maybe you guys knew all these things. I had no idea. I literally thought, like, because I had a black mark on my door outside my bathroom door, my linen closet door. It was there for years. It bugged me. I didn't want to paint the whole door. Took it right off. It did. But I didn't know it did all this kind of stuff. I find that pretty cool. Let me know in the comments if you can add to this list and help other people out. Let me know if you knew these things. I never knew any of these things except the walls. And I will see you guys on the next one. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'll see you guys on the next video.
You're telling me for 40 years of paying an arm and a leg for the magic to happen, I could have done this? Ain't no way. Magic erasers. Yeah, they're awesome. They also cost an arm and a leg. We use them all the time, but not anymore. You can get a 50 count of these melamine sponges off Amazon for like 15 bucks. A little spray bottle, a couple teaspoons of the borax, a couple teaspoons of baking soda, a couple cups worth. Mix it up. All right, let's put it to the test. Really on there. Spray it down. eraser.